my emergency kit. Okay, this is the bag, and I really like this, so I got it. So now I'm gonna show you everything I'm putting in it. So first, to put in the bottom, I'm gonna be putting these wipes. Okay, let's put these in. You know, the wipes are for like wiping your hands, you know, and stuff, and wiping surfaces. Okay, and along with that, we could put some napkins. Okay, we could put it right here. Okay, because if you want to blow your nose, you don't want to work like this, or you don't want to walk all the way to the class or all the way to the bathroom to get a napkin. So that's why I got that. And then we got the hair ties, and I already took the thing off of it. So if I just need one that matches my outfit, I could just get one. And like, for example, gym class, if you have no rubber band and in my hair, I could just get one that matches my outfit. Okay, now I'm gonna put that right here. Okay, and now we got some classic gum, because you don't want your breath to be stink, and especially when you eat some lunch, and that food, it was good. Maybe it was good, but that smell after was So you need some gum, so you don't be talking to some people's face, and it be smelling stink. Okay, so we're gonna put that right here. And then along with that, I got some floss, just in case if something is stuck in my teeth, I can just take it out. Okay. Oh, they have the extra pockets. Okay, that's cool. And then, let's see what should I do next. So, oh yeah, we got Band-Aid. Just in case you get hurt, it's like the slide one. I could get either the paw ones, that are the small ones, or I could get the pink, like the rainbow one, that is the big one. So if I get a small cut, I can use the small ones. If I get a big cut, I can get the big ones. And you know, you don't want to go all the way to the nurse's office just for a little paper cut. So that's why you need some bandages. Okay. Now we will be getting the deodorant. Because after gym class, you don't want to smell stink for the rest of your classes. So that's why you need some deodorant so you don't be stink. Okay? And then we have some Vaseline. Because whenever you forget your lip gloss, or if you just don't have your lip gloss with you, or you need something to chap your lips, you can always bring your Vaseline with you. Okay? And then we have some lotion, okay? And this is the one my mom recommended. Okay, clock it. And like if you ever like ashy or you need some lotion and you forget to put it on, you got your lotion. And then we got some hand sanitizer, you know, cause you know, if you about to eat and they have no hand sanitizer, you could just use that. And like, it's good to have hand sanitizer and stuff, you know. And last but most definitely not least, the mirror. I was saving this because you always need a mirror just to look at yourself. Okay? You see, guys? Look at yourself in the mirror. Okay, guys. And you need a mirror because, like, if you're in class and you just need to look, like, even if you're not in class, anywhere, you could just look at yourself. And even, like, if you have a booger in your nose, you can see and nobody has to tell you. And if nobody told you, then it's good to have it. Okay? But that's the end of my emergency kit. So I hope y'all liked it. Because if y'all do, don't forget to like and follow and subscribe to turn on the notification bells so you don't miss any videos like this. Bye guys!